Can you believe that Nintendo's original Switch console came out over 4 years ago? Yeah, I know, I feel like it was just yesterday I was picking up my original console. In that time, there hasn't really been a massive change. We've obviously seen the Switch Lite, but it was very much overdue an upgrade. And finally, Nintendo decided to release this upgrade. So today we're going to be talking about what's new and whether I think it's worth that additional price tag. Hello everybody, my name is Robert and this is Review Clue. Before we do get into today's video though, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face on your screen, then 1, lucky you, and 2, go down there, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload. Let's get when you can get this out of the way. This is selling from the 8th of November 2021, so you've got a little while to wait, but within that time there is a ton of games that you can play for your original Switch console if you own one. Right now we don't fully know what the price is going to be, but you can register your interest on the Nintendo website and I'll leave some links in the description down below so you can go ahead and do that. So what did they call this new Switch? We were expecting something like the Switch Pro, but no, this is the Switch OLED edition. And why is it called that? In case you couldn't guess, it's because it has an OLED display. This is the biggest difference between this and the normal Switch. The screen is a really big thing here, and it is 7 inches in size, so it's a little bit bigger than the current display. But you also get that OLED functionality, which means much deeper blacks and much more vibrant colours. Now, this isn't anything new. Games consoles have had OLED screens for a long time. You can cast your mind back all the way to the PlayStation Vita, the original one. That also had an OLED screen, so it's nothing particularly spectacular here. But it is a nice incremental upgrade, and that's what this Switch is built for. Outside of that new 7-inch OLED display, we also get a couple of nice new changes as well, including a new kickstand, which is now centered as opposed to being on the right-hand side of the console, so it at least stands up a little bit better. With the old one, you if you tried to push on the screen at all on the left-hand side, it would kind of just topple over. So to see it in the middle is always a good thing. Think of this as the Microsoft Surface tablet. So what else is new? Well, outside of that new screen and that new kickstand, we also get a new dock. The dock itself has a slight redesign to make it look a little more modern, but most importantly, it has LAN support now. So you can actually plug in an Ethernet cable straight to your dock. There are ways you can do this with the current Switch with some little dongles, but to have it built in right now is excellent because it means that multiplayer games are going to be even faster and being able to stream Netflix or whatever other content you want will seem a lot quicker than it will over your wireless network. We get some brand new speakers as well to make everything sound a little bit better. The speakers on the original Switch and the Switch Lite were okay, but here they're apparently to the max, and I cannot wait to listen to this thing and try it out. So what colours can we get this in? Well, this is going to come in white or black. This is the first time we're seeing a white Nintendo Switch, so that's really exciting and I can't wait to take a look at it in the person. I feel like it's going to look really, really nice for all of 5 minutes before it starts getting grubby, dirty hand marks all over it, but that may just be me. Joy-Cons are basically the same as they have ever been. There hasn't really been an update here, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it, I suppose. So there we have it. That is everything that's new with the Nintendo Switch OLED edition, or the Nintendo Switch Pro as we were calling it in all of the leaks and rumours. If you enjoyed this video and if you think you might be picking up a Switch OLED, let me know in the comment section down below. And of course, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell notification icon, and I will catch you in the next one. Adios.